we're always just staying with like a, if I say the Loy Pak series, we just do 1 to 6. I'm gonna do the 1 to 6. Let's try to go a little bit further with it, okay? All right, so if we go, he's gonna Pak Sada, and I'm gonna stop within the center line. You guys know this. Does everybody know the 6?
Yes.
Everybody should. What's the first one?
First one is just you go in with the Loy Paksa. All right. So,
Yeah. Good. Second one.
I throw a punch.
Good. Third
Next
one. Tan.
Tan. Okay, next one, Lysal.
Lysal.
Next one, I come in.
Loy Lap. Loy Lap. Loy Lap.
Lapsao.
Yes.
And then the next one, he grabs me, I sut, and I come in.
Good. All right. Do you know these? So he's gonna go Pak Sao, Pak Sada, Pak Sada, Chung Choi. No. Chung Choi.
Punch.
Yeah,
Punch.
Yeah.
Punch. The other
Punch
one.
it, yeah, do that though. Yeah, there you go. Yes. Now Pak Sauda, Tan Sauda. Good. Pak Sauda, Loy Sauda. Good. Pak Sauda, Lap Sauda. That's what you did there. And then go. Now Pak Sauda, Pak, Sut, Pak Sauda. So I go Pak Sauda, Pak Sauda, Pak Sauda. Pak Sauda, Chung Choi, Pak Sauda. Pak Sauda, Tan Sau, Pak Sauda. Pak Sauda, Lai Sau, Pak Sauda. Pak Sauda, Lap Sau, Pak Sauda. Pak Sauda, Pak Sut, Pak Sauda. Okay? So you go Pak Sauda, Pak Sauda, Pak Sauda, Chung Choi, no, Pak Sauda, Chung Choi, Pak Sauda, Pak Sauda, Tan Sau, Pak Sauda, Lai Sau. Yes, Pak Sauda, Lap Sau, Pak Sauda, Pak Sut, and then there. You got it? Yes. All right, work that just for a little bit and then we'll get further with it.